time for
What's
you
next?
to eyeliner on Mommy.
Be very careful.
Please do not stab my eye. Hi, welcome to Happy Mommy Makeup. My name is Kenna.
And my name's Skyland.
And I'm Hayden.
And today we're gonna put on makeup on Mommy.
Yay!
Yay!
Let's
And
get started.
let's get started.
How about you put it on one cheek and I'll put it on one cheek?
Perfect. You do one side of my face, you do the other side of my face. This goes on Mommy's eyebrows.
Did it.
Okay.
Perfect.
Okay.
She's an expert on brows. She didn't even question, how do I do this? She's just like, okay.
Got this.
Got it?
Yep.
Perfect.
Cheek
Just
and
one
nose.
cheek.
And nose and forehead. That's okay. You can do the foundation. She did the full. All right, and Hayden's gonna do this part, okay? This is foundation, so this goes all over my face. All over. And you don't have to blend it in, just put in spots. Okay, now Skyland, you take that and you gotta dab that all over Mommy's makeup. There you go.
She's just beating you up.
She knows how. She watches me. Blending in really good?
Yep.
Is she going harder? Is she going harder? Yeah, I think she spreaded it pretty well, actually.
Alright, so this goes under my eyes. Very little bit under my eyes. Okay? Right here. So you do a line here and a line here. There we go. There. There we go. Now Hayden's gonna dab it out. She's gonna blend it. All right. Okay, and you both of your girls can do this because I know she's wanting to do it too. You dab it and then put it just on this cheek so Hayden can do my other cheek, okay?
You're gonna do one side of her face and I'm gonna do the other side.
Don't forget over here and on top of my forehead. And then this chin. Okay.
Ooh, that's a lot.
This is setting powder, so it helps to keep the foundation and concealer to stay instead of like sweat off. And it makes your makeup a lot more flawless.
It's got a princess poof.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Poof. All right. I'm getting into the face now. So this is bronzer. It like contours your face, making it look like it's got
spreading it.
a little
Okay,
bit
Mommy?
thinner. You're spreading it.
Just like puts the whole thing on it.
Which one is the blush? Which one is the blush?
Use the blush brush. And this goes on the top of my cheeks right here.
That's the blush.
Mm-hmm.
What is this?
Highlighter, which goes above the blush.
There's so much.
It
I'm
is a
guessing
lot.
this is last.
Yes.
Where does it go?
Right above the bronzer. So right on my cheeks.
Oh yeah, this is blush.
Mm-hmm.
You're gonna be so pretty.
Mm-hmm.
My side's gonna be a mess and Skyland's is gonna be perfect. You see?
Hey, I'm funny.
That goes above the blush. Ooh, she's gonna be giving me the first highlight.
And the stuff that we chose different,
Mm-hmm.
we can just use the thing that we chose. Even for lipstick. Just half it with the lips.
Okay.
This is bronzer.
Nope, this is highlighter, goes above the blush. Am I nice and shiny?
No, you're shiny on one side.
This side?
Yes.
No, my side.
Gotta be shiny. Gotta be shiny.
Shiny.
So shiny.
Shiny. Oh, Mommy, you're shiny.
Did she put like a butt tone on yours?
It's probably just the lighting. I'm thinking you're putting a lot more.
Shiny.
Once I get to this side, it's gonna be like bling, like it's so shiny.
Shiny.
Am I shiny?
So shiny.
So, what are we gonna do for the eyes? Okay, you can use multiple
Royal
colors.
Ball.
You do multiple colors.
I'm gonna do different ones.
You're gonna do different ones. You can do the same one,
Yeah.
and we have to
make
be
you look crazy.
gentle. We have to be very, very gentle with this one. Okay, you can do two.
I'm gonna do that one and that one.
Okay.
I'm gonna do Mama Odie and whatever that top left one is.
Skylin used this one first. That one is Floating Lantern.
From Tangled. I'm surprised she didn't use Floating Lantern and Royal Ball.
And I just realized we didn't show
I used this
any of this
one.
stuff to them, but that's okay.
He's fine.
Yes, you did. Mrs. Potts. Now
Mrs.
she
Potts.
used
Mrs.
Mrs. Potts. Okay, and that's the last one. You choose 3 colors each. And then she just chose Royal Ball.
You're gonna look so pretty.
You're so pretty.
Am I so pretty?
Oh my goodness, she did a good job. Okay, so first I'm using Spinning Wheel. I think I'm pointing at it.
Scooter.
Put it in the inner eye. Just like that.
Yeah, perfect.
Yeah, I don't know what's
The inner corner of your eye. Yeah.
And then I'm gonna use Mama Odie. I feel like I should be looking at the camera, but not.
You do you, boo.
The world doesn't deserve this. We're gonna use Pit. There we go.
Beautiful.
And that was from
Not yet, not yet.
Midnight Masquerade.
It's time for
What's
you to
next?
do eyeliner on Mommy. Okay, it's like a marker. And then you just put it, just a big line. You draw a line on my eyelid, okay?
This is the part I'm not so good at.
Perfect.
Doesn't matter though, because it's not
No,
me.
now Hayden does this. So.
I'm gonna make you look ridiculous. You did so good, Skylin. Shoot it like in the middle of your eye.
What are you doing to my mommy? She's gonna look creepy.
You're supposed to be making me look beautiful, not creepy.
I didn't do too bad.
There you go.
Well, whenever you open your eye, it looks ridiculous, but again, it's not me.
Do I look pretty? Aww.
You look beautiful, even without makeup.
Aw, thank you.
Everybody looks beautiful without makeup.
Well, mommy looks beautiful with makeup.
Okay, now mascara. This goes on Mommy's eyelashes.
You gotta be very careful.
Please do not stab my eye. There you go. Alright. And 2. That's enough.
So how are we gonna do the lipstick?
How about one chooses lipstick, one chooses the lip gloss?
I want to choose the lip gloss.
You want to choose lip gloss?
Yeah.
Okay.
What one is
We're
this?
doing the Princess Belle from the Colourpop thing. I got it.
This is Snow White.
What's after lip gloss?
The spray.
And then we're done? That was fast.
Well, normally. Now you're going to do that one? Okay, one more. Now this one is Last Petal.
I got it on your shirt. I sprayed it.
All right.
Let me see. You actually don't look too bad.
All right, ladies, are we done?
Yeah.
All right. This is the final look.
You look so shiny.
Now let me see. Woo, girls. Woo. I was thinking that shiny was concealer this whole time, but
How do you like it?
it's highlighter.
Close your eyes.
Is that the thing that I put a lot on?
Yeah, you just keep going. I don't think it's doing anything. Girls,
How'd we do?
you chose beautiful colors for the eyes. And that lips, ooh.
Let's go show Daddy.
It looks so liquidy.
Let's go show Daddy. Yeah.
It looks amazing.
Wait.
Hold on. All right. We hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Bye. Bye, everyone.
Cut.
Bye.